Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new Bluetooth speaker to show you guys. It's a budget stereo Bluetooth speaker and is also IPX5 rated water resistant. This Bluetooth speaker is made by Boat and the model is Tone 260. You can see a picture of the speaker on the box. It has a very funky design and it says be louder, be funkier. Let's turn around the box and check it out. You've got the features mentioned here. It's a 4-watt stereo speaker with extra powerful bass. It's IPX5 rated water resistant. It also has a shockproof design. This speaker has a built-in microphone and comes with a 1000 mAh battery that can give you a non-stop music playback of up to 5 hours. So these were some of its features. There's nothing else written on the box. Let's check out the pricing details. The price on the box says 2490 rupees, but it's available for only 1399 rupees online. So that's pretty much it about the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal over here. I want to thank Boat for sending me this product for review. Alright, let's open the box and check it out. Here we go. On opening the box, we've got the Boat Stone speaker at the top. It comes in this plastic tray. Let me take it out. So here is the speaker. We'll just come back to that in a moment. First, let's see what else do we get in the box. You get a USB cable for charging this Bluetooth speaker and some paperwork. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read them for all the info on the product. So these were all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the speaker. So here is the Boat Stone 260. It's a Bluetooth 4.1 speaker and comes in two colors. I've got the blue color model. From my first impressions, I have to say the speaker has a very funky design. The top of the speaker has a nice cloth finishing, while the remaining body is made of durable silicone with a soft matte rubber finishing. It looks strong and feels nice when you hold it in your hand. The Boat Stone 260 is a stereo Bluetooth speaker that can produce 4 watts of output. You've got the Boat logo here on the front, and at the back side there's some info regarding the speaker. Now let me show you the different buttons on it. You've got a total of 4 buttons. This is the power button, volume down, volume up, and the media play pause button. The quality of these buttons is nice, they feel tactile and clicky. And beside that there's a rubber flap, under which we have a micro USB port, a reset button, and a charging LED indicator. Well, that's it guys. Oh wait, you've got a microphone also over here. So yes, you can even receive and answer calls on this speaker. So that was our overview on the design and the build quality. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. You need to press and hold the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds, and there you go, the speaker has powered on. As you can see, there's also a power indicator beside the buttons. Alright, now let me bring my phone and connect it to the speaker. Let's turn on the Bluetooth and pair with it. There you go, you can see Boat Stone 260 in the list. Let me click on it. And that's it, we are ready to use the speaker. Let's play a song and check out the audio quality. The audio quality is pretty good for the price. The mids were crisp and clear. You can clearly understand the dialogues and the vocals in the music. The treble quality was also okay. And coming to the bass, I was actually surprised. I didn't expect this small portable speaker to produce some decent bass. The bass was good and definitely better than a lot of other speakers that I've seen in this price range. It has a frequency response range from 120Hz to 18 kHz, and the distortion was also less, up to 80% volume level. Beyond that, you can feel slight distortion in the audio. The audio output was also loud and more than enough to have a party in a small room. It also has a microphone on it, and the quality of the mic was good during call conversations. Now coming to the battery life, it has a 1000 mAh battery, and on an average I was getting about 4 to 4.5 hours of battery life at 75% volume level, and charging the speaker from 0 to 100 took about 2 hours. So that was my review on the Boat Stone 260 Bluetooth speaker. It's a good budget stereo speaker. The build quality is nice, it's IPX5 rated water and shock resistant, and the audio quality was also good for the price. The only thing I felt was there was no 3.5mm aux port on it. It only had Bluetooth connectivity option. And also if this speaker had FM support, that would have been awesome for the price. It costs about 1399 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.